Hello, my name is Patodi, and this is my project 4.1 for class I300, HCI design. I'll be interviewing Ramsha. She's an informatics major, and I'm gonna test her on the website ngopulse.org. Hello, Ramsha. How are you today?
Hi, I'm good.
So today I'm gonna test. I'm not gonna test you. I'm gonna have you browse through a website and do some tasks for me, so that I can determine if the website is convenient or not for users. So at any time, if you have any questions regarding anything, you can always ask me.
Okay.
And just to make it clear, I'm not testing you. We are testing the website with the help of you.
Okay.
So just if you have any questions at any time, just let me know.
All right.
So the website today we are going to test is ngopulse.org. So if you could just look at this website for like 5 seconds, and I can minimize the tab. And could you let me know what you think the website is about? So just take a time of 5 seconds.
Okay.
So what do you think the website is about?
I think the website's about NGOs helping children. I see the front picture was children. It seemed like there was water. I'm assuming something flood related. I'm not sure if the website is about starting an NGO or supporting a certain NGO, but I know it's along those lines.
Okay, perfect. So for this assignment, I'm gonna have you do 3 tasks for me.
Okay.
The first one would be to browse to the website, see where the things are, what can you do on this website. The second one would be to log in, register your own account, and the third one would be to donate if you wanted to donate. So I'm gonna hand you the cursor and the laptop open now, and if you could browse through the website and see what you have to do on this website.
So it says, okay, on the side here it says like starting an NPO in South Africa, pros and cons, public versus private schools. These seem like very informative, I don't know, articles or something. Adult-based education for social change. Okay, here below the picture, South Africa's Ubuntu spirit continues to soar. Call for renewal to South. Okay, it's time to hire your first employee. I'm a little confused. It's time to hire your first employee. Is this a website to help me start an NGO? Because on the top here it says, okay, about this website. I can click on that. It also says donate. So I'm actually going to click on about this. About Sangonet. Okay, so the Southern African NGO Network. All right. Vision is to be a strategic leadership organization influencing social transformation through ICTs. Okay, want to contribute to a just, equitable, prosperous South African society. Okay. Mission is to support the effective use of ICTs in South Africa. And there's information given here. Okay, are there specific causes that they're, okay, programs and activities. Okay, so these are programs that SangoNet is planning, is these multiple websites. It's not a very appealing to the eye website.
I guess so, yeah. Well, as you can imagine, most of the NGO companies or organizations lack the funds,
Yeah,
so they don't have as attractive to the eye website.
right. Okay, now this makes more sense on the right. It says Save the Children South Africa Project Manager, Project Officer. I'm going to click on, I can click on it. Save the Children South Africa Project Manager. Oh, these are just job titles, but the job entitles, person specification, level of experience. Is this like a job opportunity? I'm confused.
What do you gather of it? Do you think it's a job opportunity website?
Yeah, it's an opportunity closing date, opportunity type, employment.
Hmm.
Why is that on the side of?
Maybe they're looking for.
Yeah, I think
people
they're trying to get
join
people to
NGOs, yeah.
get involved. So I'm gonna just click on donate because I'm curious as to donate. Just seems like something that would attract anyone who wants to support some sort of cause, not be hired. If you'd like to make a donation to this, please make a deposit. Okay, bank name, all the information is given. That makes sense. That's pretty straightforward. Tweets, okay. So they're active on social media. Have they programmed this to the website?
You can just click on them and look for yourself if you want.
13 things your board must know about your NPO. Okay. Okay, so this is specific to people in South Africa, NGOs, NPOs in South Africa,
Okay.
at least to my understanding. It says what kind of entity is our NPO. So basically this is just informative, telling us about what this is all about. So this is an informative website about them and is asking us to donate money to them, and they want to hire people to help them serve their mission or whatever that I read in the beginning about saying on it.
Okay.
And it has news flashes on the top. That's about it. I'm gonna click on menu right here. Health, media, youth, education. Okay, I'm gonna click on health. I'm assuming. Oh, so this is the picture that showed up in the beginning. Okay. World AIDS Day, South African women. Breastfeeding can help prevent both breast cancer. Okay, so it seems like a very informative website. These are all different articles on like different health issues specific to, I guess, people in South Africa. I mean, not necessarily. An article like this could apply to anyone. Depression. But yeah.
All right. Perfect. So let's just go to the homepage again. So this was the first part that you did, browsing about the category. The second part of the assignment would be for you to log in or register your account on this website. So how would you do that? How would you process for it?
There's clearly like this blue tab thing on the top right. So I'm going to register since I don't have an account already. Do I have to give my email address? Because
If you are comfortable with putting your details, you don't have to.
Because, I mean, it has a star, so it's mandatory if I want it.
Sure. If I can put mine if you want.
Okay, sure. You should, yeah.
There you go.
Password. For password. Okay. So I'm writing my first name, surname. Surname means last name, right?
Mm-hmm.
Registering as an organization, company, individual. So they're giving options for organization and company. So, okay, that makes sense, I guess. I'm gonna just say individual. Create new account. Loading. Registration successful. You are now logged in. Okay. What should I do once I'm registered?
So, well, seems you do not have any trouble with registering an account. Perfect. So, were you familiar with this website before?
No, not at all.
Okay. How comfortable do you feel that you are around technology, or how often do you use internet?
I mean, pretty often. I think any kid, I'm not a kid, but any person my age in this generation is generally more tech savvy than maybe like ages ago. I don't know.
So, what kind of websites do you are most frequent on while you're on internet?
Well, I mean, Google is just like standard, right? But because a lot of my classes this semester require a lot of research, I'm constantly on, credible websites. Like even something like the New York Times or something. I don't really use websites where I make accounts, except for Pinterest, but where I make accounts and I'm like just using the website for the sake of getting information on something that's outside of class usage. So, yeah.
How about NGO websites? Do you often go to NGO websites to donate or maybe look around stuff?
Not currently, but yes, I have in the past. Like I used to a lot at one point because where I grew up, a lot of our local neighbors and community members were always starting some sort of nonprofit. My own parents did, so yeah, there's always something I.
Okay, that's good. That's good. All right. For the third part of this assignment, I'm just gonna For the third part, I'm just gonna have you make a donation to this website. You don't actually need to donate if you don't want to, but just go through the process if you can.
Okay, I can. I mean, you mean like, I'll see if I can at least navigate to that. Well, I see right next to where I registered, it says donate, so I'm pretty sure. I even clicked it before. It's the same, like if you'd like to make a donation of any amount to SangoNet via EFT, I don't know what EFT is. Please make a deposit into the following account. I'm actually going to search. Can I search somewhere? What EFT? Okay, so see this, okay, all this information. Is there like an online payment? I don't think there's like an option to make an online payment. Also, I'm not even in, this does not make sense to me. How would I make a donation? Tax deductible in South Africa. I'm not in South Africa. Okay, I don't think I could make a donation. Yeah.
Well, that's perfect. That's not a problem. So that's more or less everything about this usability test. Do you have any questions about this test or
No.
no? So overall, how did you feel about the website, the structure of it, or maybe navigating through it?
Honestly, I feel like I said before, it's not too appealing to the eye, and maybe that's not so important. But a part of me feels like it is. It was a bit confusing. I feel like it's poorly coded, programmed this website, and although certain things like donate and registering, those were pretty like obvious. I knew where to go and everything, but besides that, everything is just a bit confusing. Seems like a very unorganized system. I was very confused, at least for the first half of like what this website is about. So I don't know. Maybe a little pop of color here and there would have helped. Just overall, I'm not a fan.
Well, that's understandable. So this would be it for the website. Is there anything else you would like to know about it?
I think I learned a lot today.
Okay, perfect. Well, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
I'll let you know what I learned about this test.
Okay.
Well, all right. See ya.